Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to share a Pinterest pin on WhatsApp with the latest update. Whether you want to send a recipe, a cool DIY project, or some fashion inspiration to your friends or family, this quick guide will have you sharing pins in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap on it to enter your personal space on Pinterest. Next, look for the Home Feed Tuner option. It's a handy feature that lets you customize your Pinterest experience. Tap on your profile picture again, and you'll see the Home Feed Tuner option pop up. Go ahead and tap it. Now, navigate to the Pins tab within the Home Feed Tuner. This is where all your saved pins live. Find the pin you want to share and press and hold it with a long press. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, select the option that says Send on WhatsApp. This will open WhatsApp directly, making it super convenient to share without leaving Pinterest. Once WhatsApp opens, simply choose the contact or group you want to share the pin with. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar to find the right person or group quickly. Finally, tap Send in WhatsApp, and your selected Pinterest pin will be shared instantly. And that's it. Sharing Pinterest pins on WhatsApp has never been easier. This updated method saves you time and keeps everything seamless between the two apps. Now, you can effortlessly share your favorite ideas and inspirations with your WhatsApp contacts whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. Happy pinning and sharing!